This is kind of the oldest sport in the state of South Carolina. It's a pure sport. The rules haven't changed at all from the beginning. Horseback, Tennessee walkers chasing beautiful bird dogs in beautiful settings.
The unique thing is you've got a dog, a man, and a horse, and they're all in unison together.
The Mid-Carolina is probably our strongest field trial club, most traditional field trial club, and kind of the heartbeat of the South Carolina field trial circuit. A lot of great members and great dogs have been a part of the story of this clubhouse and the club.
It gets in your blood and you can't get rid of it, you know. It's the worst drug known to man next to women, I guess.